In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a specific board with clients in Monday.com. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the board you want to share with your client. If you haven't created it yet, you can create a board first for your approval process. Then open that board so you're ready to adjust its sharing settings. When the board is open, look near the board name and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings, then click Change Board Type. This is the key part, because a regular private or main board won't be shared with outside clients in the same way. In the board type options, select Shareable, then click Save. That changes the board, so it can be safely shared with people outside your internal team. After the board type has been updated, go back to the three-dot menu beside the board name again. This time, click Share. You'll then see the option to start sharing. Click that, and Monday.com will generate a share link for this specific board. Next, click Copy Link. Now you can send that link directly to your client using whatever communication method you normally use. Once they receive the link, they'll be able to access the shareable board based on the permissions and structure set up in Monday.com. And that's really all it takes to share a specific board with a client in Monday.com. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. When you no longer want the client to have access, go back into the same board, open the sharing options again, and click Stop Sharing. That immediately disables access to the shared link, which is useful if the project is finished, the approval round is over, or you simply want to keep the board private again. A good tip here is to double-check the board before you share it. Since clients may be viewing the information directly, make sure the board only contains items, columns, and updates you actually want them to see. It's also a smart idea to confirm the board type was saved correctly as shareable before sending the link, especially if the share option doesn't appear right away. This approach is helpful for approvals, project updates, and client collaboration because it lets you share one specific board instead of exposing your entire workspace. It keeps things organized and gives you more control over what external viewers can access. Once you know where the board type and share settings are, the whole process only takes a minute.